Past trauma, especially when it involves loud noises, can impact our relationship to loud noises later on in life. So I think this is a really common way that post-traumatic stress can show up in the aftermath of trauma, particularly when the trauma we've experienced involves a loud noise like a car accident or a gunshot or hurricanes or weather-related trauma or yelling or screaming of any kind, that it can leave us really sensitive or hyper-aroused and reactive to when we experience loud noises later on in life. And it makes total sense. It's almost like our mind, our brain, our body is trying to protect ourselves when we experience loud noises here and now based on what we've experienced in the past, that there's an association there between loud noise and harm, or between yelling and getting hurt.